Assalamu alaikum. How to say welcome in English. So let's learn together. Welcome. You are welcome. Welcome aboard. You are always welcome. Glad to have you here. You are more than welcome. Welcome to our place. It's a privilege to welcome you. A heartfelt welcome. Delighted to make your acquaintance. We extend a cordial welcome to you. We are honored to have you. It's a pleasure to have you with us. We bid you a warm welcome. We are thrilled to have you here. We extend our warmest greetings. We are gratified to welcome you. We are elated to have you. A warm reception awaits you. We are pleased to have you on board. Our sincerest welcome to you. Charmed to welcome you. Grateful for your presence. Thank you so much for watching.